Hello friends, Miss Tania Tibriwal is sitting in front of me and she had attempted her July 21 CA exams and she had cleared group 1 in flying colors. She had secured 89% marks in SFM. She took classes from Gurgaon Center. She is conceptually very strong. She is practically and very much feels connected with SFM subject. She had all the concepts, all the questions, all the theoretical part with 100% preparation. She was quite sure that she could have even secured 100% marks. Even many students have secured 90%, 95% in this exam paper. So definitely I will also like to know where this 11 marks had been deducted and this 89 marks, how you managed to score, what have you done so good that you have scored such a good marks. So please let me know because other peoples are also motivated, are also desire to know this success story because they also want to achieve this much marks. So Tanya ji, please go ahead and tell your success story for SFM subject.
Okay, so first of all, I have secured 89 marks as you can see here. So the thing is the pattern of the subject has changed. Now we get 75 practical and 25 theory. So which means we cannot neglect theory if we want to secure more. So I focused equally on the practical and theory given their weightage in the exams. And you can see the results and the things which I did on my part. My base material was Sir's notes, which he got as written in his class only. And I did questions from his books. Plus, there are some questions in extra practical questions heading in his book. I did all that. Then, actually, I took classes from Sir like 2 years, 2.5 years back. Given that I knew that there are some additional questions which ICI has included in our study material, and there is possibilities that questions is not there in my material. So I did all that additional questions that ICI has included. Apart from that, the thing which I concentrated on is that I didn't audit all the questions. I was yes, I have to pick some questions which is covering a lot of concepts, and I have to do it by hand, in writing. I cannot just audit all the questions and then expect that I can write in the exams. So this is very important. We need to do some questions in written. Like we need to check where we are getting stuck. Then the next thing is be thorough with your concepts. It is really important. Then
And how you like
don't
the notes,
neglect
our
theory.
how you like the class notes which we have prepared in the class?
Class notes are really simplified. Sir's notes are concept one, concept two, concept three. Even a very small concept like we know what is discounting. Obviously, we are a CA final. We know what is discounting. We have to just drag the figures from 1 to 0, 2 to 0. So that is discounting. But for that also, we are having a specific concept note in the notebook, and I think that proper breakage of all the notes into a concept one, concept two is really helpful, because when we are preparing for the exams, at times what happen, even we there is possibility we can get stuck on a very small concept which is really easy because we are under a lot of pressure. So those notes were really helpful because they were very simplified version of that notes were very simplified for us to grasp. Now apart from once you have to just go through the notes, then I used to complete one chapter, go through the notes, then go do all its questions. When you are preparing, or when you are having your first revision or second revision, the thing what you should do is you should mark the questions what you think is really important, because in that 1.5 day you will not get enough time to go through all the questions at a time. So mark particular questions you think is really important, and there is possibility of similar question or this difficult concept coming in exam. So do this, then focus on theory, don't neglect theory. What we do usually we just do keep on doing
For theory,
practicals,
which
and we
material you
neglect
referred?
theory.
For theory, which material you referred?
uh, I don't remember exactly the volume, but you had one volume
So that
6
was
of
sufficient. That
theory
was
book.
sufficient.
Yeah, because that book covered I did that theory book along with that ICI's mock test papers, exam questions, all the theories and the practical questions in the ICI's paper also. Basically, I have done all the papers of the ICI, not in written, not the entire paper in written, but yes, I have gone through. If you will ask me, I have gone through all the papers of the ICI, be it MTP, be it RTP, or any other thing what ICI is
After
coming up with. So,
after your
so
batch
that
attempt, fine. After your batch,
yeah,
because till the batch
yeah.
it must be covered in your material
It
only.
was, yeah, yeah. The RTP and MTP and all that exam questions were covered in the SIR's book till my attempt. In fact, in the SIR's book, the questions below the questions it is written not below the question, beside the question it is written specifically. It is MTP question, RTP question, exam question, and what marks for which it appeared for in the exams if it was an
So
exam question.
let me clarify
So,
it. If you are, let's say, if you are joining a batch in 2021, so till 2021, all the ICI, MTP, RTP will
yeah,
be incorporated in the material. And let's say if any
yeah.
material comes in 2022, RTP of 2022 will not be covered in 2021 batch.
Yeah.
So
So any material covering art,
that you have to cover extra apart from the
extra,
material which
which
you
is
have been
coming
given.
after batch.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, after batch.
Yeah. So Tanya, it
So
was
and
really very
yeah.
nice. You have explained it so well, and theory part also you have explained. Class notes also you have explained, and the practical part you have didn't said anything about the practical part of our class. So please highlight some practical
Yeah.
point of view which we have
Yeah.
to stock market and all. So you can highlight that also.
See, before I joined SIR's batch, I was not into the stock market or this stuff. But since when I have joined his batch, I am into this stock market. I am not trading, but yes, I do a couple of investments. So I think that portion, that 15-20 minutes portion that we had in SIR's class was really nice. We got a practical insight into the stock market because I don't see I see barely any teacher in the teacher or any person who will teach you ki yes, we need to buy this stock now, we have to do this, do that. So this is really helpful if you want to get into the market and somebody is teaching you on the regular basis, like even for the 10-15 minutes, because that was the utmost that we can afford in a CA final batch. So 15-20 minutes was sufficient, and we got a practical exposure of the market, and that
Nice,
was really
nice,
good.
nice. So, in short, full package was that of SFM because you have scored such a good marks. So, I wish all the students you can also score such a good marks. Follow Tanya's approach. She had covered everything of her batch material plus extra whatever came after his her batch. So, it was really nice talking to you, Tanya. I wish you
Thank
all
you
the
so
best
much,
for your
sir.
future achievements and do let us know about your achievements because we will be happy to share it with our